Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss question integer to Roman. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So it states that 7 different symbols represent Roman numerals with the following values. So this I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, and it goes on up to M represents 1000. Roman numerals are found by appending the conversions of decimal place values from highest to lowest. Converting a decimal place value into Roman numeral has the following rules. First rule is if the value doesn't start with 4 or 9, select the symbol of maximal value that can be subtracted from the input and append that symbol to the result. Subtract its value and convert the remainder to a Roman numeral. So we'll be doing this only. Like if it is not 4 or 9, then we will subtract the maximal value and we will append it to the result, and then we will subtract its value and convert the remainder to a Roman numeral. Second rule is if the value starts with 4 or 9, use the subtractive form representing one symbol subtracted from the following symbol. For example, 4 is IV and 9 is IX. So 4 is IV, 9 is IX. So we have to keep track of these symbols, 6 symbols as well, and only powers of 10 can be appended. Consequently, at most 3 times to represent multiples of 10. You cannot append 5, 50, 500 multiple times. If you need to append a symbol 4 times, use the subtractive form. Given an integer, convert it into a Roman numeral. So suppose this is given, and let's see what will be the constant. So num would be like greater than or equals to 1 and less than or equals to 399. So here what we would be doing is like initially num is given to us, and we will define our answer string, and we will just run a loop like while num is greater than 0, and we will pass this num and answer to a helper function. And here in helper function what we are doing is we are taking our num and we are taking answer by reference. And first of all we are checking if num is greater than or equals to 1000. If it is greater than or equals to 1000, then we will just take the quotient like how many m will come, and then we will take this remainder with 1000, and then we will add that amount, like whatever the quotient number is there, we will add that amount of m in our answer, because m means 1000. Next we'll move on to 900, because 900 value is like 900 can be represented through cm. So if if it is greater than or equals to 900, then we will append cm and we will subtract 900. Similarly we will do the case for 500. If 500 if it is greater than or equals to 500, then we will append answer d. You can see for 500 it is d, and we will subtract 500. Now if it is greater than or equals to 400, then you can see for 400, like we will have to make use of all these 6 symbols and all these 7 symbols. So this is 7 plus 6, 13. So there will be 13 if else, and like in this way we will be able to return num finally through our function. And yeah, we will like after returning num from this helper function, we will again check like whether this num is greater than, if it is still greater than 0, then we'll pass it again, and we will keep on appending these Roman numerals to our answer, and then we'll finally return our answer. So yeah, this solution seems to be fine, and let's try to run it. So yeah, it is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So this solution is working fine. So I hope you have understood the explanation of this question. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for this top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. We will covering all the questions in this series one by one, and yeah, stay tuned and have a nice day.